Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today I will share with you about the use of count function with formula and use of count function without formula. So let's jump into the video. I will not waste you any time. So this is the data I created. This is an accident reported in hospital for the month of January, February, March, April, May. So if I want to count, I just want to let you know guys, it's not adding up the value, it will just give you the count. So the formula start with equal to count. So the window will pop up. There is a first function count. If I press tab, so it will select this function, click on the first cell reference, and you can press shift and drag the cursor till the end. It will select the whole range, then press close bracket. So this is the whole formula of the count function. If I press enter, it gives me the 5. There are 5 cells which contain value. It's giving me the count. If I want to copy this formula for the rest of the columns, so I'll drag this formula. It gives me the count for the rest of the columns, so which are the same, which are the 5. So I have done this with the help of formula. Now I'm deleting these values. I can do this without help of formula. So how can I do this? Just select all the columns and go to this tab, auto sum. There is a drop down list. You can see on the third number there's a count numbers. If I click on this option, it gives me the count at the bottom of each column automatically. It's more easy and the quicker to find out the count. So these are the two ways, with the help of formula and without the help of the formula. I wrote down the formula, which is equal to count, start of bracket, first cell reference, colon sign, the end cell reference, and the end of bracket. So this is the way the Excel works in the count function. So if you like this video, then make sure you like and share this video with your friends as well. And make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in next video.